Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about a short but a powerful part of speech, and that is interjection. So, what is an interjection? An interjection is a word or phrase that shows sudden feelings or emotions such as surprise, joy, sadness, or excitement. Think of interjections as emotional reactions. They usually come with an exclamation mark, and sometimes they stand alone, or sometimes they are used at the beginning of a sentence. Examples of interjections. For suppose you win a prize, then you might say, "Wow." Now, the word wow is an interjection because it shows your sudden emotion of surprise or happiness. Okay? Second sentence, if you feel pain, you might say, ouch. Ouch is an interjection because it shows the sudden feeling of pain. Third sentence, if you are sad, you might say, alas. So this is again an interjection because it shows you certain emotion of sadness. So in short, interjections are short words that express strong emotions. Then those emotions can be of happiness, surprise or sudden shock, sadness, frustration, or praise. Now let's practice. If I say, wow, that's a beautiful painting. Now what is the interjection here? You're right. Wow is the interjection here because it is showing my sudden emotion of surprise. If I say, hurry, it's my birthday today. What is the interjection? Yes, hurry is the interjection here because it is showing my certain emotion of happiness. So that's all for today's lesson on interjections. Short, simple, but very expressive. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.